Hi, my name is Peter Michael. I'm the CEO of Rose Ave Media. I just want to take a quick few seconds and rave about Jermaine and his team because I was absolutely floored and blown away by his level of expertise, the strategies that these guys are using, the funnel architecture that they're building. And we actually brought them in to consult for us for one of my clients when we were absolutely stuck. And they were able not only to deliver 10, 20, 30x results, but they were able to actually give us the why behind what they were doing, how, and the what, and really allowed us to excel in our business overall. So if you're thinking about working with Jermaine, don't. I mean, and what I mean by that is don't think about it, just do it, because the value that you're gonna get, the expertise that you're gonna get, the strategy that you're gonna get, I mean, these guys are gonna blow you away. From their funnel building and funnel architecture to their marketing strategies, their social media strategies, the actual know-how-tos, the why-tos, and the what they're actually going to be delivering for you is going to be literally 10x value for you, and it's going to help you grow your business to an absolutely whole new level that you've never thought about it. So if you have any questions, I highly encourage you to actually ask. And me as a big advocate, he has absolutely changed the way we function, operate, and deliver results for our clients and how we grow our business. You know, I would say that hopefully that's enough to make you actually hire them.